Welcome SATS geniuses to question number 28, and this one is subtracting two fractions that have different denominators. Now the most important two words here is that we need to get some equivalent fractions with a common denominator, and if we can do that, this question will be easy. So we need a common denominator for 9 and 4. Now there's no easy way of doing this. You can't just double the 4 to get 9, that doesn't work. You can't just triple the 4 to get 9, that doesn't work. Now if you can't easily spot what works, then one method you can do, which would work every time, is that you can multiply the two denominators together to get a common denominator. So if you multiply 9 by 4, you get 36, which means 36 can be a common denominator. So let's make both of these fractions into equivalent fractions out of 36. So I'm just going to set that up there. Now we need to figure out what we multiply 9 by to make 36. Well, 9 times 4 is 36, which means we need to do exactly the same to the 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Now we go to the other side. What do we times 4 by to make 36? Well, we times 4 by 9 to make 36. So we need to do exactly the same to the 1. 1 times 9 is 9. So that's 936. And now all we've got to do is add everything together. Now clearly it's going to be out of 36 because our common denominator is 36. And then 32 add 9 is 41. So our final answer is 41/36. Now that is an improper fraction. Now you are allowed to leave an improper fraction on a SATS paper as long as it doesn't work out to be an exact whole number if you divide it. So 41 divided by 36 is actually 1 remainder 5. Because we're dealing with 36, it's 1 5/36. Now that would also be an acceptable answer, so I'm just going to pop a little or there. So you could write 1 5/36 in the answer box. But again, because that's not a whole number, it's one whole one with 5/36 left over, you would actually be allowed to get the marks for 41/36 as well. So either of those two answers are correct.